Hello dear students, good morning to all. This is Neha, your course teacher, and our course title is Rainfed Agriculture and Watershed Management, and course number is Agro 5321. So our today's topic is, now we are going to take up a new topic, and that is the contingent crop planning for aberrant weather conditions. Okay, so let us start the topic. The effect of aberrant weather condition on the crop. Okay, so before to understand the aberrant weather conditions effect on the crop, we need to understand the contingent crop planning. What is the contingent crop planning? Okay, so basically in a simple way we would understand that the planning of a crop in absence of regular crop planning. Okay, so what is the regular crop planning? So now the question is, what is the crop planning? Okay, so when we do the crop planning, we used to decide as to what kind of operations we will do and when we will do. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that when we will sow the crop, when we will transplant the seedlings, when we will apply the fertilizer, when we will apply the irrigation, when we will apply the different tillage operations, when we will apply the chemicals, and finally when we'll harvest the crop. Okay, so this is the normal planning for the crop, and this planning is carried out the basis of normal climatic conditions. Always remember. Okay, so let us take one examples of Chhattisgarh. So in Chhattisgarh, the normal planning of rice is like that. Yes, we used to lay nursery in the month of mid June, like 15th June. Okay, and when it is almost 1 month old, in first week of July to 15 July, we used to transplant those seedling in the field, and the transplantation is only possible when there's sufficient moisture available in the field. Okay, and this first week of July to 15 July is usually taken for the transplantation process. Okay, because this is the time when good amount of moisture, because the precipitation would be available in the field. So you all know that for the transplantation, good amount of moisture in the field is required. Okay, so thereafter the crop will grow and will apply the fertilizer, and we will also applying the irrigation. Okay, so yes, so but the irrigation would be based on basically a amount of moisture that is present, the amount of moisture being contributed through the precipitation. That's why the crop will grow through the different physiological stages, and then on certain physiological stages, when these would be certain biotic stresses or biotic stress, we would say. Okay, so we will apply the chemicals, and finally the crop turns to the physiological maturity. So we will harvest that, because the crops turn to physiological mature condition. Okay, so this is the normal planning of the crop, and that normal planning of the crop is based on the normal climatic condition. That is, the whole planning is for the normal climatic condition, right? But you are aware that the climatic condition will not remain some forever. That means 1 year monsoon may come little early, and the another year it may come little late. So whenever this monsoon will change and will shift, or it goes accordingly, we will have to modify our crop planning. So these modified crop planning would be known as contingent crop planning, right? I hope you all understand what I wanted to say, what I wanted to understand you all. Okay, so let us assume that the monsoon is being delayed for let us say 2 week delayed. Okay, so we will also have to delay in our transplanting in 2 weeks, right? Because it is when the monsoon is set and in the good amount of moisture in available, then only the sufficient or suitable and that particular situation favorable for transplanting will occur, right? And will the monsoon will getting delay in 2 weeks, this condition will occur 2 week later. Okay, so now we will have to accordingly modify our planning after crop. So now what modification will we will do for that, but or we will carry it out for that particular event. So you can remember that the delay of monsoon doesn't mean that you have not yet laid the nursery in delay. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर मानसून लेट हो गया तो आपको नर्सरी को ले करने में भी डिले करना है, राइट? सो बेसिकली in the month of mid-June to last week of June, and because monsoon is delayed, so now the age of seedling would have been 2 week more than the normal age of seedlings, right? अगर मानसून डिले है तो आपको मानसून ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सीडलिंग जो है वो लेट करना है या सीडलिंग को आपको लेट सोन करना है, राइट? वो अपने प्रॉपर टाइम में होगा, बट it would have been a 2 week more than the normal seedling age, we would say. Okay, and you know that when the age of seedling will be more than, there would be the less tillering. So in that particular event of that, to go up with that situation, you will have to plant multiple seedling in a hill, and then you will planted in that particular field, so that the result would be the sufficient tillering in the later stage in that particular field. Okay, so this is what would be contingent crop planning. Okay, इसको ही हम contingent crop planning बोलते हैं. So then you will have applied according to the crop requirement the fertilizer and the nitrogen, and these fertilizers and nitrogen will have to delay because the transplanting would delayed. ठीक है, हम जो फर्टिलाइज़र या नाइट्रोजन या जो भी एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइज़र या न्यूट्रिएंट जो अपने क्रॉप प्लांट को प्रोवाइड करते हैं, इट वुड बी डिले बिकॉज द ट्रांसप्लांटिंग वुड हैव बीन डिलेड, राइट? बट in that situation, if the monsoon will delayed, there is no need, or there is not possible for laying the nursery delayed. Always lay the nursery in that proper time, right? Similarly, chemical application would be on the basis of occurrence of pest and diseases, but you would have to be ready according to the climatic condition, and this climatic condition now will occur little later because the crop has been delayed, monsoon sets. Okay, so this is one scenario which we had discussed, but could be little different scenario when you will have to change your planning entire, and this would be the monsoon for the delayed monsoon, we would say. ठीक है, ये एक ऐसा परिदृश्य है, एक ऐसा सिनारियो है जहाँ पे हम इस तरीके का कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if the monsoon is delays for more than 4 week, okay, more than 4 week or 4 week, that particular condition what would be done, हम क्या करेंगे? If the monsoon will being delay in more than 4 week, or so that the cultivation of rice will not be possible in that situation, so you will help to replace your crop, and you will help to take those crop in the field which will mature little early, which will require less amount of moisture, because ultimately this 4 week delayed of the monsoon will also result in less amount of precipitation. So in that event, you will have to grow in crop which will take less amount of time, plus that will require the less amount of moisture or less amount of water, we would say. That whole planning is known as contingent crop planning. Okay, क्या होता है कंटिंजेंट क्रॉप प्लानिंग? अगर आपका कोई विपरीत परिस्थिति आ गया, मॉनसून डिले हो गया, तो हमें अपने क्रॉप को कैसे प्लान करना है, किस तरीके से प्लान करना है, नर्सरी कब रेज करनी है, ट्रांसप्लांट कब करना है, इरिगेशन कब देना है, फर्टिलाइजर कब देना है. ओके, सो आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड द बेसिक definition we would say, or basic introduction for contingent crop planning. Okay, so let us see the theoretical, what is the effect of aberrant weather condition on the crop. Okay, so right, rainfall behavior in dry farming areas is erratic and uncertain, as we all know that. So the deviation in rainfall behavior commonly met with in dry areas include delayed onset, early withdrawal, and intermittently dry spells during rainy season. So that particular event is for the contingent crop planning. Okay, we need to understand the effect of aberrant weather in crop planning, and according to the weather, according to the climatic conditions, we have to need, okay, we need to do the particular process for according to the weather. That process or that phenomena or that scenario is known as contingent crop planning. Okay, so the adverse effect of these rainfall aberration on crop growth vary with the degree of deviation and the crop growth stage at which such deviation occurs. So suitable manipulation in crop management practices are needed to minimize such adverse effect of abnormalities, rainfall behaviors. This management decisions constituent contingent crop planning. जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि अगर आप किसी भी वेदर के अकॉर्डिंगली ही अपने ट्रांसप्लांट को डिले कर रहे हैं, या अपने जो क्रॉप प्लानिंग आपने प्रॉपर की है उसको डिले कर रहे हैं, और एबरेंट वेदर का हमारे क्रॉप प्लान पे क्या असर पड़ेगा और उसको हमें कैसे मिटिगेट करना है, कैसे उन्हें रोकना है, दैट पर्टिकुलर plan is known as the contingent crop planning and their effect also. Okay, so such management practices done after crop establishment and in the middle of crop growth are called mid-season or mid-term corrections, we would say. Okay, so that is the effect of weather condition on crop. ओके, वेदर का इफ़ेक्ट कैसे पड़ता है और हमने उस वेदर से फेस करने के लिए क्या प्लानिंग की है, क्या हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट तैयार किए, क्या हमने रिप्लेसमेंट कोई क्रॉप तैयार किया है, दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस वुड बी नोन एज कंटिंजेंट क्रॉप प्लानिंग. सो ऑलवेज माइंड इट. ओके, सो लेट अस मूव. Okay, so the effect of rainfall aberration on the crop, as earlier I told you that the delay of monsoon or early withdrawal of monsoon, or early onset of monsoon, that would be the planning processes for the contingent crop planning against aberrant weather conditions. So always remember that particular thing, that particular, we can say the term, राइट. हमको कंटिंजेंट क्रॉप प्लानिंग को समझने के लिए हमें ये समझना पड़ेगा कि व्हाट वुड बी द कंटिंजेंट, क्या होगा कंटिंजेंट, और हम कैसे प्लान करते हैं, कैसे उसे मिटिगेट करना है अगेंस्ट द वेदर सिचुएशन, अगेंस्ट द क्लाइमेटिक सिचुएशन. ओके, सो इन दिस स्लाइड वी हैव टू कॉलम फॉर द रेनफॉल एबरेशन एंड इफेक्ट ऑन क्रॉप ग्रोथ. अगर रेनफॉल में जो वेरिएशंस आता है, ठीक है, उससे हमारी क्रॉप प्लांट को क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर एग्जाम. ओके, एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो द इन फर्स्ट कॉलम डिले इन ऑनसेट ऑफ रेनफॉल, ठीक है, दैट वुड बी द इफेक्ट ऑन क्रॉप्स एंड दैट इज द लेंथ ऑफ क्रॉपिंग सीजन और क्रॉपिंग ड्यूरेशन इज रेड्यूस, क्रॉप सोइंग इज डिलेड. अगर डिले हो जाता है तो डिले क्रॉप सोइंग होती, दैट मीन्स नॉट द नर्सरी लेइंग प्रोसीजर इज डिलेड. दैट मीन इट डजंट मीन द नर्सरी डिलेइंग प्रोसेस, इट मीन दैट ना ट्रांसप्लांटिंग प्रोसेसर जो है वो हम लेट करते हैं, राइट. एंड द नेक्स्ट कॉलम इज फॉर अर्ली विदड्रॉ और क्रिएशन ऑफ द रेनफॉल. ओके, सो मॉइस्चर स्ट्रेस एज मैच्योरिटी ग्रेन फीलिंग इज अफेक्टेड. दैन द इंटरमीडिएट ड्राई स्पेल, अगर सूखा होता है फ्रिक्वेंटली, या जो रेनफॉल फ्रिक्वेंसी हो वो इंटरमीडिएट होती है, ठीक है. दैन द immediately after sowing the crop will be the germination will be affected, plant population will be reduced, and in the situation of vegetative phase, effect of seed elongation, leaf area expansion, branching or tearing, that particular biotic stress may occur. And the flower, when we talk about the flowering processes in dry spell conditions for rainfall, after anthesis and pollinations, grain pod number is reduced. ठीक है, पॉलिनेशन प्रॉपरली नहीं हो पाता, पॉलिनेशन नहीं होता तो पॉड का फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता, पॉड का फॉर्मेशन होता है तो मिल्किंग नहीं होती, ग्रेन जो पॉड में ग्रेन की फीलिंग अच्छे से नहीं होती. ठीक है, तो ये फ्लावरिंग में इफेक्ट पड़ता है. When we talk about the ripening, that means the maturity, we would say grain feeling and grain size is reduced. Proper grain feeling नहीं हो पाता and the grain size is not in proper way. Okay, so that is the effect of rainfall in aberrant condition. ठीक है, rainfall effect we would say in aberrant condition on crop growth. That is the effect of for the crop growth condition. Okay. So let us move in the next slide, which is the contingent cropping. What is the contingent cropping? As earlier I told you what is the contingent, कैसे हमें crop plan करना है, और basically हम contingent crop planning क्यों करते हैं, why we need to do the contingent crop planning. Okay, तो क्या होता है, contingent crop planning is growing of a suitable crop in place of normally sown highly profitable crop of the region due to aberrant weather conditions. In dryland agriculture, the contingency of growing another crop in place of normally crop grown arise due to delay onset of monsoon. So we would say the precipitation is a very important phenomena for the doing contingent crop planning, right? हमें precipitation because of the for the crop growth we have to need the good amount of moisture or good amount of precipitation would be available, right? So depending upon the date of receipt of rainfall, crops are selected according to the rainfall received. We need to do the selection of crop proper, हमें according to the weather, according to climate and according to the precipitation, we need to understand the kind of precipitation amount, right? And according to that we have to do for the selection of crop. Okay, so it is assumed that the rainfall for the subsequent period is normal and depending upon the economic status of the farmers. So certain amount of risk is taken to get good profit if season is normal or better than normal. Okay, so that would be the risk bearing for the farmers, we would say, right? So that is the contingent cropping or contingency of cropping. So the contingency crop is highly location specified due to variation in amount of distribution of rainfall, especially in arid region. The spatial distribution of rainfall is highly variable. It is common to observe that rainfall received varies from the fill to fill in the same location. So the temperature gradually falls from August onwards, reaching minimum in November and December. So contingency planning and midterm correction vary with the type and the time of occurrence of rainfall aberrations. Okay, so जैसे मैंने आपको ब्रीफ में व्हाट इज़ द कंटिजेंट क्रॉप प्लानिंग, ठीक है, हम कैसे करते हैं, किस तरीके से करते हैं. मैंने एक राइस का आपको एग्जांपल दिया कि कैसे राइस की सोइंग करते हैं. राइस में हमें क्या डिले करना होता है, क्या डिले नहीं करना होता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दी ऑक्यूरेंस हमें केमिकल एप्लीकेशंस देने होते हैं पेस्ट एंड डिसीजेस के लिए, राइट. तो ये सारे जो प्लानिंग हम करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेदर कंडीशन, दैट वुड बी अ कंटिजेंट क्रॉप प्लानिंग. एंड व्हाई वी नीड द कंटिजेंट क्रॉप प्लानिंग? because of the uncertainty of rainfall, we would say, because of the crop growth and development, we have to need the good amount of moisture available in our field. Okay, so we would say the very basic and very important element is precipitation. Okay, so always remember. Okay, so this is enough for today. I hope you all got the sense what is the contingent crop planning and what kind of effect in our crop growth and development to aberrant weather conditions. Okay, so आज के लिए हम बस इतना ही रखते हैं. I hope you all got the sense and thank you for paying attention and listening very carefully. Thank you very much and till then be safe, take care.